Namaste children. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, we are dealing with lesson 3 houses and clothes. Today we will learn about why do we need clothes. Before entering into the topic, we will have a recap of the first part of the lesson. Why do we need a house? We spend time with our family in the house. We also sleep, study, and do many other things inside our house. We keep our things safe inside a house. A house is made of walls, roof, door, and windows. Houses keep us safe from sun, rain, clouds, and animals. The walls and the roof protect us from these things. People who can hurt us also cannot enter our house. We have doors to close our house and not allow others to come inside. Thieves cannot enter our house. The key words for today: SEASON season, SUMMER summer, WINTER winter, RAINY rainy, COVER cover, and DRESS dress. Season, summer, winter, rainy, cover, and dress. Our aim is, why do we wear clothes? Clothes protect our body from heat and dust. Clothes protect us from different types of weather. Clothes protect us from getting hurt easily. Clothes make us look nice. What do we wear in summer? We wear loose fitting cotton clothes in summer to stay cool. What do we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter to keep ourselves warm. What do we wear when it rains? We wear raincoats and use gumboots to keep us from getting wet. Here are pictures of clothes that we wear: trousers, skirt, shirt, sweater, vest, coat, dress, raincoat, socks, gumboots, cap. Can you pick out the clothes we wear when it rains? Open page number 16 in your content book. Need for clothes. We wear clothes to protect us from the cold, heat, and rain. We also cover ourselves with clothes. There are different kinds of clothes for us to wear every day. Here you can see different kinds of dress, children. Dresses and skirts, trousers and jeans, coats and jackets, shirts and t-shirts. And the next one, need for different types of clothes. Every season is different. We wear clothes according to the season. For example, in the hot summer, we wear cotton clothes as they absorb sweat. In the cold winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. When it rains, we use raincoats or umbrellas. They protect us from getting wet. Okay? Now, let me revise the lesson. We need clothes to cover our body so as to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. Clean clothes make us look smart. So we should wear clean and proper clothes which are comfortable. We should wear different kinds of clothes according to the seasons and occasions. Clothes in summer. It is very hot in summer. We perspire a lot. So we should wear light colored cotton clothes. They make us feel cool and comfortable. Clothes in rainy season. It rains heavily in the rainy season. So, we should wear raincoats, caps, and gumboots to protect us from the rain. We can carry umbrellas too. Clothes in winter. It is very cold in winter. So, we should wear warm woolen clothes like sweaters to keep ourselves warm. Party and festival clothes. We wear colorful party dresses for different occasions. Traditional clothes are worn during festivals. Uniform. Children wear school uniform when they go to school. They do not wear them at home. People working in the police, military, and hospitals also wear different uniforms. Remember, good habits. Wear clothes according to the seasons. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. Take good care of your clothes. Change your clothes more often during the rainy season. Practice time. Open page number 21 in your workbook. Need for clothes. Start with the date. First question. Name the clothes shown. There are 3 pictures, children. One is done for you. It is a shirt. And B, yes, it is a frock. And C, pants. Second one, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Third question, is this boy wearing clothes? Of course, the clothes made of animal skin. So whatever, the clothes are covering the boy. Okay. We have another worksheet in page number 22, children. Mention today's date. Different clothes. First question. In which season will you wear these clothes? One is done for you. In summer season we wear short pants, isn't it? B, it's a sweater. Obviously in winter season we wear. And C, it's a skirt in summer. Second question, what will happen if we wear a sweater in summer? The sweater will make us warmer, isn't it? It is so hot in summer. We feel uncomfortable because we get more sweat. Why do your parents tell you to change your clothes before going to bed? We need to wear clothes that are comfortable while sleeping. Also, if we wear a party dress or uniform, will get spoiled. Let's have a summary of this lesson. We wear different clothes in different seasons. In summer, we wear comfortable cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are made of spinning and weaving cotton. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. When it rains, we wear a raincoat. We also use an umbrella during rainy season. If we did not wear clothes, all this dust would settle on our bodies. Okay, children, do the worksheets. Thank you for watching, children. Catch you in the next video. Take care.